In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an appointment with Fifth Third Mobile online following the 2025 guide. This is a simple process and I'll walk you through each step, ensuring that you're clear and confident about what to do. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Fifth Third's official website. Simply type in www.5-3.com into your browser's address bar and you'll land on the Fifth Third homepage. Once there, you'll notice a navigation bar at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on the Business tab. This section is specifically tailored for business-related activities and services and will be your starting point for scheduling an appointment. After clicking Business, you'll see an option titled Schedule Your Conversation. Selecting this will take you to a different site dedicated to setting up appointments. This is where you'll start the 5-step process of scheduling your meeting. The first step is deciding how you'd like to hold your appointment. You have several options to choose from: personal banking and borrowing in branch, via phone, purchasing a home, refinancing, and other services. Take a moment to consider what suits your needs best. Once you've made this decision, select the preferred option. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a location for your meeting. This ensures that you'll be connected with the right branch or service representative and that your meeting is as convenient and efficient as possible. Select the branch location that is most convenient for you. The third step involves selecting a date and time for your appointment. You'll be able to see availability and choose the time slot that best fits your schedule. This part is pretty straightforward, but it's important to pick a time where you're sure you'll be available. After choosing your date and time, the next step is to provide your contact information. Enter your name, phone number, and email address in the provided fields. This information is crucial as it allows Fifth Third to confirm your appointment and keep in touch with any updates or changes that might occur. Finally, after you've entered all the necessary information, go ahead and click on the Schedule It button. Once clicked, your appointment will be officially set. You'll receive a confirmation via email, which will serve as both a reminder and a summary of your scheduled details. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully scheduled an appointment with Fifth Third Mobile online. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it made the process easier for you. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.